guys, we are going for lunch. Today is Sunday, the last week of March 2022. This is Thunder Bay, Ontario. This is the streets close to the university. We are going towards the Arthur and I think we're going towards Arthur and James Street. There's a restaurant called Monsoon. It's an Indian restaurant. We go in there and then see what they have to offer. But this is Thunder Bay, end of March. Snow piled up on the sidewalks. Little bit of hyped up mountains. But the field is square. We'll update you as we go there. I'll play a little bit of video over there so you see how the city is. If you have not been here or you want to move here, I'm giving a little glance of how the city looks like. Alright, so we are close to the restaurant. So this is how the Arthur Street looks like. We are close to the Arthur and James. Look at it. Oh, sorry, we gotta take a left here. A little bit ahead. The airport is nearby. We got a metro here on the right side. Pita Pit. There's a gas station there. That's pretty much. There's a mountain there. I don't know if you could cover there. Can you see it? The mountain there. Okay, so we're going here where there's Wasabi, and there's a restaurant called Monsoon. It's beside Shoppers Drug Mart, which is here. I'm taking a left. Boom, chica, and then we are in. So let's see, there's a Freshie, Tokyo Smoke, and then Monsoon Authentic Indian. That's where we are going today. On Sundays they are open from 4 p.m. So if you're coming on Sunday, it's in 4. Otherwise, they do open early in the morning. Not early in the morning, maybe around 10, 11. But then on Sunday they don't start until 4 p.m. Anyway, I parked here. I'll let you know once I go in. So this is the sweet section, and all types of sweets here. There's a bar here too, I believe. And they say they serve halal chicken. Yeah. So we got a sitting arrangement here. The space here is a washroom.
I feel like they would. They're like the same person. Or they like cancel each other out and don't hate each other or something.
So you have an option of either taking everything in a buffet for $18, or you have individual a la carte of these prices. But I think for buffet you need to come in from 4 p.m. onwards. Otherwise, these are the prices. This is today, last week of March 2022, and this is what they offer. You can pause and see if anything which meets you. I'm done. Tell me how the spice is.
I'm at a really mid-low level. It's creeping up. Every time I take a bite, it's creeping up.
So which part of the curry or
I think this combination, I don't know what I ate, but it's really good.
It's good and then it's creeping up, right?
It's creeping up.
Okay.
We have 2 more naan. My friend refused to eat more because they had more. So what can you do?
No, I ate my health. Okay.
Well, I'll try to finish it up, but I don't know. Let's see how it goes.
Let's see how it goes. So they have tea. You gotta put your sugar yourself. And this is tea. Well, let's see how it is. It's okay. It's not so great. Am I in the frame?
Yep.
Okay, it's okay. It's not so great. It's manageable kind of thing. It's not something you would buy specially. I'll give it 3 out of 5. Do you want to try and say how it is?
I'm still waiting for the spoon. I don't know.
Okay.